Hello everyone. In this video I will going to explain you how we can use the setup show and custom show. In my previous videos I have explained you how you can create the presentations and how you can use the custom animations, light transitions and all. Now in this video let me tell you how you can customize your presentation. Customize means in this presentation, if you see total I have 30 slides. Among these 30 slides, right now in my presentation I want to present only few slides from these 30. So what I do, I will go to the slideshow tab and then I will click on the custom slideshow. Okay, so when I click on custom slideshow, I am getting custom shows. So when I click on custom show, here there is no custom show to display, means I have not created any custom slideshow. So what I do, I will click on new. Okay, so these are the slides available in this presentation. So as I said, 30 slides are there. So among these 30, I want to display the first one. Okay, then directly I want to display the types of goals, then frame, okay, then the 5 qualities, okay, and 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, and thereafter at the last the benefit of the goal setting and the end slide. So these 11 slides I want to set up. Okay, so the by default name is custom show 1. If you want to change the name, you can change the name also. Okay, so I will keep the custom show 1 itself and I will click on OK. Custom show 1 is now created. Now you can show here itself or you can close the button. Whenever you click on custom slideshow, you will be getting the custom show 1. So when you click on custom show 1, you will be getting the selected 11 slides. Okay, so directly from first slide to types of goals, then frames, qualities, right, like this you will be getting only 11 slide shows. Okay, but when generally you click on from beginning, so you will be getting all the 30 slides, understanding, all the 30 slides. Okay, so this is how you can use this custom slideshow. When I click on this, I will be getting only 11 slides. Okay, now you can see, right? So after the first slide, we are directly jumping on types of goals, then frame. Okay, so if I end show this and if I generally click on from beginning, after the first slide I am getting what is a goal anyway, the purpose of a goal, then I am getting the types of goals. Okay, so this is the difference between the normal slideshow and custom slideshow. You can customize whichever the slide you want to display, those many slides only you can display in the custom slideshow. Coming to the next option beside this custom slideshow is a setup show. So when you click on setup show, it will give you the n number of options here. So in these n number of options, if you see the show options, loop continuously until escape, if you select this and if you click on OK and if you start the presentation, okay, so when your last slide will display, okay, so automatically after the last slide you are getting the first slide. So repeated execution of the presentation take place and repeatedly all the slides of your presentations will display on the screen. So this is how you can set up your show. Okay, so this will continue until you press the escape key. So when you press the escape key, then only your presentation gets stopped. Otherwise, it will keeps on continue. Okay. So this is how you can use these custom slideshow option and setup show option. So when I press the escape key from the keyboard, or when you click on end show, then only this slideshow gets end. Okay, so this is how you can use these two options and very important features of the Microsoft PowerPoint. So kindly like, share and subscribe my channel for the latest videos. Thank